Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial, and today I will be doing grape nails with the Beetles full cover nail tips. So I always try to make very simple and achievable tutorials for you guys. So here I am just applying my peel off coat, and if you don't have a peel off coat, you could always just use a regular old school glue and it works just as fine. They pop right off. I have no complaints over this. And then after, I am going to be applying a base, and this particular base I did also get at the Dollar Tree. It's actually a base coat and a top coat, so you can use it for both. It's very convenient and it works excellent. I have no complaints on that either. And then after, you guys are just gonna see me picking out my nails and then buffing them as I usually do, and then I will start the tutorial for you guys. Thank you so much once again for the 200 subs. I am more than blessed to have each and every one of you. Thank you for all the love and support I always receive down below, and always feel free to request anything that you guys would like to see. I would love to recreate it. So thank you once again, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Going to be using the LA Colors base and top coat as a glue for my fruits. I did decide to do two nails fruits, and then one of them an ombre, and then the other one a glitter ombre, and then my thumb I decided to do full-on glitter. So yeah, it's very simple, very easy, and it turns out beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So here I'm just applying the fruit, and I do that for two of the nails, and then I continue on to the ombre. So to create this ombre, I am just using two polishes of my choice. I'm using like a lilac color, and then I'm using a more potent purple like violet. So here I am just first placing my light color, and then under that I will place my darker color, and then I will just begin to ombre the look. I do this about 3 times until I have it to my desired liking, but this is just an easier way that you can achieve a beautiful flawless ombre. Here I begin to create a glitter ombre on my pinky finger, and to create it, it's very simple. I am just going a bit above half of the nail, and I am just simply applying 3 coats of the glitter polish, and that is about it. Now I begin to apply the LA Colors base and top coat, and I am just using this to place my rhinestones, and then I will go in with another coat as well. Here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely love these nails. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.